I originally actually started as an engineering major here at Cypress College before I realized it wasn't really what kind of fit for me. So when my friend said, why don't you try your school's pastry arts? I was like, okay, I tried it out and I fell in love with it completely.
The Baking and Pastry program is about teaching students the fundamentals of baking and pastry.
Chef Stephanie Rosati is amazing. She gets down to the basics and actually teaches you the science. Learning all the behind the scenes of why food does what it does is what really makes the baking program amazing.
For baking and pastry, we can work in all different kinds of industry. We really do focus on the big picture of our industry and giving you the skills to go out there and work.
Cypress College definitely cares about where you end up. They want you to succeed.
It's something that I feel like you can't really get anywhere else because it has this level of camaraderie. And here at school, they really teach you how to form those bonds and friendships with people that really do last lifetimes, as well as just how to communicate with people in the kitchen itself.
At Cypress College, we take this journey together.